This spacious 1,800 square feet in-unit villa in the highly sought-after Woodfield 55-plus active community delivers the space, style and convenience buyers want in Vero Beach. Flooded with natural light thanks to its in-unit design, the home features cathedral ceilings and an open floor plan that creates an expansive, airy feel from the moment you walk in. The large gourmet kitchen stands out with generous counter space, abundant cabinetry, and a layout perfect for cooking, entertaining, or hosting family and friends. One of the biggest perks, the villa is offered fully furnished-true turnkey living. Just bring your suitcase and start enjoying the Florida lifestyle immediately. Located in the renowned Woodfield community, residents enjoy resort-style amenities, a packed social calendar, and a secure, beautifully maintained community.